Today we'll see how a compass works. Okay, so in order to understand how a compass works, we need to have basic idea about magnet in general. We are going to take a simple bar magnet to understand the properties of a magnet. So a magnet generally have two poles, north and south, such that the magnetic field will originate from north pole and ends in the south pole, something like this, right? Pardon my drawing, something like this, and this. So that's all. Also, uh, the poles of magnetic field behaves such that opposite attracts. Right? So this is the thumb rule that opposite pole attracts each other. That is, if we place uh, two magnets adjacent to each other, and the then if the south pole is pointing towards the north pole of another magnet, then there will be force of attraction between the two. But if we place two magnets having same pole facing each other, then there will be force of repulsion. Right. Next, we need to have idea about the magnetic field of Earth. Okay, so the geographical north pole of the Earth, right, and this is the geographical south pole of the Earth. We know that Earth has iron ore in its core, right? So this will behave uh, as a magnet. Right? So let us consider this iron ore as a bar magnet in the center of the Earth. So, and the bar magnet is such that the south pole of the bar magnet is towards the north geographical pole of the Earth. Okay? So you can say that the north pole of the Earth is nothing but the south pole of a bar magnet, right? And the south pole is such that the south pole of the Earth is north pole of a bar magnet. So the magnetic field will be something like this, right? That is, magnetic field originate from the south pole of the Earth towards uh, and ends towards the north pole of the Earth. Third, the construction of the compass is such that it has a needle, which is a bar magnet, and its weight is very small, very tiny, because the magnetic field of the Earth is too weak. Okay? So, in order to move the needle of the compass, the compass has to be light weight. So, whenever you place a compass in the Earth's magnetic field, due to, as we know that opposite attracts, as we have seen earlier also, the north, this is the south pole of the needle, then north will align itself towards the north geographical pole of R, because this is acting as a south pole of a bar magnet. So north and south, they are opposite. Therefore, this uh, needle will align itself towards the north geographical pole of the Earth. That is why whenever we place a magnetic compass in the magnetic field of the Earth, it will always direct towards north. Okay.